10 projects, batch,
Six.
batch 8,
Six.
batch 6, sorry, batch 6, which consists of 10 projects. The private conference, by the way, in behalf of our chairperson who is on official travel, I, as the vice chairperson, will preside this private conference this morning. Private conference is necessary for projects costing 1 million up, since it's as per section 22 of the revised implementing rules and regulations. The private conference shall discuss, clarify and explain, among other things, the eligibility requirements and the technical and financial components of the contract to be bid, including questions and clarifications raised by prospective bidders before, during, and the pre-bid conference. But unfortunately, although properly notified, our prospective bidders are not around, so only the BAC and the technical working group and secretariat will discuss the contents or the things to be discussed in this private conference. The agenda for this morning's private conference, brief presentation and or explanation by the BAC of the following: basic contract data, including contract description, approved budget for the contract, and the project duration, requirements for bidding documents, including instruction to bidders, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and forms, documents to be submitted by the bidders, technical proposal as enumerated, pickup license, or if there is joint venture, special joint venture license, then authority of the signing official, organizational chart of the contract, contractor certification, on key personnel, list of major equipment, omnibus sworn statement required in RA 9184 IRR section 25.2b. Then the financial proposal, the bid form, bid prices and bill of quantities, detailed estimates and cash flow. Another is the criteria and procedure of eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification and award. Probable possible questions or comments from bidders, but as I have stated earlier, there is no prospective bidder around, although they were properly notified. So for the projects to be procured are 25 IA 0038, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse, and landslide. Secondary roads, Biliran Circumferential Road with different station limits. So this is located in Barangay, Almeria. May I request the planning personnel to discuss about this project.
Okay, good morning. The first project is 25 by A 0038 with contract name of Rehabilitation and Construction of roads with slip, slope collapse, and landslide. Secondary roads, Biliran Circumferential Road at kilometer 1037 plus 437 to 1037 plus 634, 1037 plus 667 to 1037 plus 750, 1037 plus 792 to 1037 plus 586, and 1038 plus 108 to 1038 plus 215. The contract location is in Barangay Pili and Talahit, Almeria, Biliran. With project description, construction of 640 linear meter or 1,921 square meter slope protection structure with contract duration of 226 calendar days, and approved budget for the contract is 44,098,000. So that's all for first project.
The next project to be procured, ID number 25IA0039, Network Development, Road Widening, Secondary Roads, Biliran Circumferential Road. Also with different station limits. This is located in Almeria, Biliran. So may I request Engineer Rio Salona to discuss about this.
Next project is 25IA0039, contract name Network Development, Road Widening, Secondary Roads, Biliran Circumferential Road. At station kilometer 1038 plus 215 to 1038 plus 680 and 1039 plus 278 to 1040 plus 016. Contract location at Almeria, Biliran. With project description, road concreting of 1.204 lane kilometer, shouldering, drainage and slope protection. The approved budget for the contract is 39,197,869.19 centavos with the contract duration of 225 calendar days.
So next project, 25IA040. Continue, Engineer Salona.
Next project is 25IA040 with contract name of construction of access road leading to declared tourism destination, access road leading to Kasabangan Falls, Kawayan, Biliran. Contract location is at Kawayan, Biliran. Project description, road opening or concreting of 1.284 lane kilometers, 0.23 m thick and 6 meter wide with drainage and slope protection structures. The approved budget for the contract is 19,595,276.64 centavos. Contract duration is 160 calendar days.
Then let's proceed to project with contract ID 25IA0041.
Next project, 25A0041 with contract name of construction of road, Sitio Barangay Ungali, Kawayan, Biliran. With project description of construction of 1.580 lane kilometer road, 23 thick and 5.0 meter wide with slope protection structure. The approved budget for the contract is 14,698,003 pesos and 95 centavos with contract duration of 120 calendar days.
Next project.
Next project is 25IA0042, construction of Doroteo flood control structures along Biliran Circumferential Road, Phase 1 at Almeria, Biliran. Project description, construction of 920.40 meter flood control structure with approved budget for the contract 48,998,289 pesos and 97 centavos with contract duration of 246 calendar days.
Continue with contract ID 43.
Next project, 25IA0043, construction of flood control structure, Barangay Inasuyan, Kawayan, Biliran, with project description of construction of 155 linear meter flood control structure. Approved budget for the contract is 9,898,259 pesos and 34 centavos with contract duration of 115 calendar days. Next project, 25IA0044, construction of DER Pinro Building, Barangay Larasabal, Naval, Biliran. A project description, construction of 3-story building. Approved budget of the contract is 48,998,139 pesos and 16 centavos. Contract duration 420 calendar days. Next project is 25 IE 0045, construction of multipurpose building phase 2, Barangay Victory, Kawayan, Biliran. Project description, construction of 1-story building. Approved budget for the contract is 9,898,890 pesos and 93 centavos. The contract duration is 210 calendar days. Next project is 25 IE 0046, construction, completion of multipurpose building, Naval National High School, Barangay Larasabal, Naval, Biliran. Project description is construction of 1-story building. Approved budget for the contract 1,978,421 pesos and 6 centavos. Contract duration 80 calendar days. So the last project is 25 IE 0047, contract name of construction, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Talahid, Almeria, Biliran. Project description, construction of 1-story building. Approved budget for the contract 1,978,383 pesos and 47 centavos. Contract duration 75 calendar days. So that's all, sir.
Thank you, Engineer Salonay. The timeline for these 10 projects are as follows. Date of posting from October 19, 2024 to November 11, 2024. Issuance of bidding documents October 19, 2024 to November 11, 2024. The pre-bid conference, which we are going right now, October 28, 2024 at 10 a.m. Then receipt by the back of bids, November 11, 2024, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And the opening of bids, November 11, 2024, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, any more clarification? Questions? If there is none, this pre-bid conference is now adjourned.